Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my skin prep or glow up routine, as you may call it, for Eid. Now since we are celebrating Eid in lockdown, none of us are going to step out of the house, so there might be a few girls out there who don't want to wear a lot of makeup but still want your skin to look nice and glowy. So the skincare routine that I'm going to show in the video will help you achieve a really nice glowy radiant skin. You can do this a day or two prior to Eid, and on the day of Eid your skin will look absolutely beautiful. You can just apply some lip and cheek tint, some mascara, and call it a day, because this routine will give you the most glowy skin of your life. I absolutely loved doing this, and clearly I am so excited for the video because Eid is around the corner. It is my favorite time of the year. I really like Eid because we really have a lot of fun as a family. We cook really good meals and enjoy. So it is definitely my favorite time of the year, and I'm so excited. And I always make sure that I do a nice skin prep, skincare routine a day or two prior to Eid, so my skin looks absolutely stunning on Eid. If you guys want to know my skin prep or glow up routine for Eid, then continue watching. But before we get into the video, if you are new here, hi, I'm Rumela. I make makeup, skincare, lifestyle and mom life related content here on my channel. So if you like the vibe here, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and also the bell notification that's right next to it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump straight into my skin prep routine.
So I'm going to start off with oil cleansing my skin, and for that purpose I'm taking bio oil. You can take any facial oil or almond oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, or any facial oil that is best suited for your skin type. Make sure you use a non-comedogenic oil, and then just massage this into your skin for a good 5 to 10 minutes. I really like to take it slow. I take my time and massage the oil really well. Now, contrary to the popular belief, oil cleansing helps to reduce sebum production. It helps to reduce oil production. It really helps to clear your skin out, and it helps to unclog your pores. It helps in reducing whiteheads and blackheads. It also helps to remove dust, pollution, dirt, makeup of your skin. It also helps to remove dead skin from your face. So oil cleansing has a lot of benefits. Make sure you use upward motions to also uplift your face while you massage using the oil, and this really helps to cleanse your skin deeply. So after I'm done massaging the oil, I'm going to take a facial razor and just get rid of the peach fuzz. So I'm going to shave my forehead, the sides of my face, and also get rid of my unibrow and also my upper lip area. So usually all the areas where I get a lot of facial hair, I'm just going to get rid of that using this method. Now facial shaving also has a lot of benefits. It helps to get rid of the dead skin, and it really makes your skin nice and bright. It also helps to gently exfoliate the skin, and that's why I prefer shaving my face over waxing my face. And once I'm done shaving, I take a microfiber cloth dipped in warm water and wipe that across my face to get rid of any hair and also the excess oil on my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash my face using the Eba Halal face wash. Going to dampen my face a little bit using some water, and then I'm going to massage the face wash very gently onto my face in circular motions for a minute, and then wash off with plain water. And now that my face feels squeaky clean, I'm going to move on to the next step, and that is scrubbing. I'm going to gently scrub only my T-zone since I chemically exfoliate. I don't scrub my entire face, but I do have a little bit of blackheads and whiteheads, so I'm just going to scrub the area where I get blackheads very gently using the Biotique scrub. I absolutely love this scrub. If you are looking for a good affordable physical scrub, then I would highly recommend getting this one. You guys will see how bright and glowy my skin looks once I'm done scrubbing with this one. And once I'm done scrubbing, you guys can see how glowy my skin looks and also how smooth it looks. I really love this scrub. And the next step is to steam your face. I really like facial steaming because it helps to deep cleanse your skin. It helps to promote collagen production. It helps to remove toxins. It hydrates your skin. It also opens your pores and makes your skin more receptive to the products that are going to go on top of it, and also helps your skin glowing. So facial steaming is a very crucial step. And then I'm just going to wipe off the excess steam, and you guys can see how bright my skin looks instantly. And then moving on to the next step, I'm going to use a detan mask. This is from O3 and I absolutely love this face mask. I'm going to take a little bit with the help of a spoon because I could not find my face mask brush anywhere, and then I'm just going to use my fingers to spread the mask all over my face. I absolutely love this face mask. It has peppermint oil, clove oil and a lot of really cooling ingredients, and this helps to really soothe and calm my skin down. It has a very nice cooling effect from the peppermint. So I'm just going to leave the mask on for 3 to 4 minutes because that's what the instruction says, and I have been using this mask for a couple of months now and I absolutely love it. It helps to get rid of my tan very effectively. So after around 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to wipe the face mask off using a microfiber cloth, again dipped in warm water, and then I'm going to wash my face off with plain water. Since this mask was really cooling, I did not go ahead and rub an ice cube over my face, but I would usually do that step after I am done face masking. And that is it. Now moving on to a toner, I'm going to use the Face Shop Bright Seed toner. This is a brightening toner. It really helps to leave a very nice glow on my face, and I really like to use this after I'm done using any kind of face mask. I'm just going to massage the toner really well into my skin, and you guys will see this leaves a very subtle glow on my skin. And then moving on to serum, I'm going to use the White Seed Brightening Serum from the same range, and taking a couple of pumps of this, I'm going to apply that all over my face. Again, this really helps to brighten your skin, so the next morning my skin looks very nice, radiant and brightened using the serum, the toner and the face mask. The combination of these three products has really helped brighten my skin over time. And then moving on to last step, you need to moisturize no matter what you do. So I'm going to take the Face Shop Chia Seed moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer, and I always keep it for special occasions because this is such a beautiful moisturizer. It helps to moisturize my skin really well and leaves a very nice glow, and this glow lasts until the next day, which is why I absolutely love this moisturizer. And yeah, that is it for my very easy skin prep or glow up routine that I do a couple of days before Eid, so that my skin looks really beautiful on the day of Eid. You guys can see the results already. My skin looks so nice and glowy and beautiful. I also like to give my skin this very soft massage to help the blood flowing and to really calm my skin down. And then I'm going to finish off this routine using a lip balm. Now this is the lip balm that I'm currently obsessed with. It is the Baby Lips into Alia Bhatt lip balm in the shade Broadway Red. And that is it for my skincare routine. You guys can see how beautiful and glowy my skin looks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.